Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be really high mileage. This is a Jack in the Box going almost 9.5 miles.
We'll get the Jack in the Box. What can I offer you?
Total for that one was $14 and change, which would be decent if I wasn't really far away from my zone. Next up is a Taco Bell going 5.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
I just had a DoorDash pickup for summer. Hello? Lights are on, but I don't see anyone inside, and I don't think it's supposed to be open for another hour. Next up is Angels, which I'm right next to. I got it at the lights, so this is probably not going to be ready. This is going 5.5 miles.
We're still working on it, so we need a few more minutes.
Okay. Total for that one was just under $9, so pretty garbage. Next order up is the Human Bean. This one's going 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that order was $6. Meh, it didn't take very long. Next up, this is Red Leaf Organic Coffee. This is going just under 5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $7, not bad. And we got the next one right away. This is a Krispy Kreme, so you know it's gonna be terrible. This one is going 8 miles. Thank you. 72622. Nice. 72622. 72622. Such a waste of time. No tip on that one, because why would there be? Total for that was just under $9. Wow. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles.
E90?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you. You too. Total for that order was $7. Wow. Pretty much the same as the other order, except it took a fraction of the time. Next order up, this is a Black Rock Coffee going 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Total for that order was just under $6. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This is $10 going 4 miles.
Is there a DoorDash for Kansas here? Okay, honey, you have 3 bags.
Gotcha. Which one has all the drinks?
These two.
Drinks? Okay.
Careful, they're pretty heavy.
Gotcha. Thank you.
You're welcome, everybody.
You too. I didn't realize this order was like 7 meals in one. There was a hidden tip on it. Total for that one was actually $12 and change. And got the next one right away. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $7 going a mile and a half, 3 items. I think it's that. Do you have these over here? I think it said to ask the cashier.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Next order up is a Taco Bell. This is $6 going just under 2 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Next up is an alcohol pickup. This is $10 going 3 miles.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
There's a 12-pack of Coke on it, if that helps.
Oh, gotcha.
You're working on it, looks like right now.
Yes, so we're almost done with it.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, it's starting to rain and I'm just not in the mood for it today. So, time to go home. Current time is 9:52. Current total, we are at 92. And just waiting on the last Uber tips, which should bring it up to like 103. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. The light is green. There you go.